Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video, and I'm going to show you in this video is how to pop a tie rod off the easy way. A lot of people are going to tell you take a hammer and hit the sides of that. As you can see, someone has been doing that and just dented it all up. I'm going to show you another method that's going to be way easier. Gonna bust out the old Aircat T55 TH. Oh yeah, spins them right off. I'm just gonna spin that down right till it's flush. Now there's many ways to get the tie rods out, and I like to use a good old hammer. If I'm gonna save them and reuse them, I'm gonna use a brass hammer. I don't tap the sides of the knuckle or whatever. I just find that deforms them and causes further damage. In this method, with the nut flush, it works perfect every time. And if you're gonna reuse them, like I said, use a brass hammer, you're not gonna damage. All right, give her a couple good whacks. Drop down, nut keeps it from falling on the ground. Perfect. There you have it in this quick video. I showed you one way to easily pop the tie rods off without tapping the sides with a hammer or using a pickle fork. This method is super simple, and like I said, use a brass hammer if you plan on reusing them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.